Hi, I'm Yuval from Tulip. I wanted to talk to you guys about how manufacturers should look at their process engineers as knowledge workers. If you think about what a process engineer does, on a day-to-day basis, they encounter problems on the production lines. They collect information, they think about how to solve production problems, and then they disseminate the knowledge or the solution they provided to the shop floor associates. That's what knowledge workers do across all industries. If you think about the challenges these process engineers encounter, they're just becoming more complex. Products are becoming more complex. Machines to create, that build these products are becoming more complex. Operators come and go, so they need to be trained. So the challenges are just increasing, and the tools that they have at their disposal are right now largely analog. And that's what we see every day when we tour factories here at Tulip. We see shop floors that are rife with paper. Things like paper quality forms. You know, process engineers are asking their operators to collect information manually. There's no reason for those forms to be analog. If you look at work instructions, those are just recipes on how to run a process. There's no reason for that to be analog. There's no reason for engineers not to get data real time. There's no reason to get sensor information and ambient temperature not real time. So that's what we do here at Tulip. We give these process engineers the modern tools to optimize these production processes.